Hey guys, Tech Mention with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch on an iPhone. If you have a newer iPhone or older iPhone, you want to follow this step to switch it on. It's really simple. So on a newer iPhone like this one, like iPhone 15 Pro here, you'll see a big side button right here down the side. You just want to press and hold here until you can get the Apple logo to appear. So as you can see here, it takes about a few seconds, and once the Apple logo appears, it's good to go. It should turn on or switch on or power on. Normally it does take a minute or so to fully power on if you have an older iPhone, and that's how you turn it on. Now if you have an older iPhone, maybe iPhone 5 or 4 or later, the buttons up top right here, same exact process. You press and hold until you can see the Apple logo appear. Of course, make sure you have charge. This phone might not have charge, but again, same process will work and it will turn on for you if you're an older iPhone. So go ahead and give it a shot. Like if you have even iPhone 6 here, the button's a little bit smaller here, and you can see here, hold it until you see the Apple logo and you can switch on your iPhone or power it on. That's how you do it. I hope this quick video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.